girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all the friends know me. Young bull living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the needle. Getting so cold I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made.
Hi Curlfriends, NaturallyRonda here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's wash and go video, I will be using SheaMoisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And I will be pairing that with my fave Xtreme Professional Styling Gel, aka Wetline. Today I used the shampoo, conditioner, and deep conditioner from the Main Choices Ancient Egyptian line, which I love. I actually did a video reviewing that entire line. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it up in the cards and link down below in the description box. First things first, my handy dandy spray bottle of water. Y'all know I always like to apply my products on wet hair. This is a very thick and creamy leave-in. I was never really in love with the smell of castor oil, but I do love the results from using castor oil on my hair, so I deal with the smell. I'm heavy-handed, so I'm going in with a little more. So this is my hair with just the leave-in. Now I'm going to subsection, wet it some more, and then go in with the gel. I think this is my second time using this new formula Wetline Xtreme Gel, and it really doesn't disappoint. As you can see, curls already clumping. I really don't even have to shingle, but that's kind of my thing now, so I will. I really like to thoroughly coat the hair so I really get the best results, and then I shingle. So I get the root too. Sometimes I forget, but I really try to get the root. And when I do that, I notice my wash and goes come out the best. You see how my hair is way down over here? That's what I like. That tells me that this wash and go is gonna be the bomb. So this is what my first section is looking like. I'm gonna continue the same process of wetting my hair, leave-in, subsectioning, wetting my hair some more, and then the gel. And I will be back when the product is all in. While doing my hair, I like to binge watch different TV shows. Right now, I'm watching You on Netflix. What are some of your favorite TV shows? Before You, I was watching Pose. I only got up to season 1 because Netflix doesn't have season 2 yet. I think I read somewhere that FX won't release season 2 on Netflix until season 3 is about to launch on live TV, and then they release it on Netflix. So I can't watch season 2 until then. Before that, I was watching Top Boy. I'm still trying to binge This Is Us with my mom. We haven't caught up. I think we're on season 2. We're way behind. If you have any suggestions for good shows, whether it's on Netflix or Hulu, let me know, because I'm always in the market for a good series to get into.
Getting so cold I'm not blinking. What in the world was I thinking? New day, new money to be made. There is nothing to explain. I'm a black beetle, cream seats in the Regal, rocking John Lennon lenses, like to see him spread eagle. Took a babe to the club, let a party on the table, screaming everybody's famous. Like clockwork, I blow it all. Get you some more. Get you somebody that can do both. Black Beatles got the baby's belly rolling. She thinks she love me, I think she trolling. That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all the friends know me. Young bull living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drinking. They lose it when the DJ drops the needle. Came in with two girls look like strippers in they real clothes. A broken only point me to a rich yellow green hair, real weirdo. Black man, yellow lamb, real life goes. They seen that guap in them that came in through the side door. There's so much money on the...
All right, so the product is all in. This is what it's looking like wet. I'm gonna go sit under my hooded dryer and I will be back when it's all dry. So I'm back and these are my finished results.
Why you bring a money machine to the club for? A pin, a pound, grand. A Euro step past a hater like I'm Ronda. I upgrade your baby mama to a condo. My chapos to the gringos. Black Beetle club clothes when I say so.
Per usual, Xtreme Gel shows up and shows out. I'm not surprised because that's why it's my favorite gel. I know what I'm gonna get. I know how bomb my hair is gonna turn out, and it has yet to disappoint me. I mean, come on now, just look at this definition. Just look at it. Of course, there's a crunch, but that is to be expected. All I have to do is take some oil in my hands once it's 100% dry and scrunch that out. The only reason I haven't scrunched out the crunch yet is my hair isn't 100% dry. My roots are still a little damp, which is the usual with me. So here you have it, another great wash and go combo. If you haven't tried these two products out together already, I highly suggest that you do because the results are phenomenal. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. I love you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
That girl is a real crowd pleaser.